Minisita wali omunsi niwayebembire omukoro gw'okushagika enkora y'okutungura omutindo gw'okushomesa eby'omukono mu Rubwindi aha Rubwindi Community Secondary School. Mwajuma Twaha Adams orukukurra itendekero eri najangwa hanyuma y'abeegi okuguma nibaruga omu ishomero bakiri bato kikabajemesereza kutandika ehuriro y'okwegyesa abatarikwebaasa.
Abaana utabe turashomesa bakaba batajya bamazire P7 bakaba bali abaana ba droppingiro mu levels nka P2 P3 konka twakifuna mu challenge nyingi abaana batwakira dropouts nyingi abaana batandika bali nka 50 in a classroom at the end of kuza kumara tamu ninga tamu ya kabiri oshanga mwina abaana 10.
We need to construct a multi-purpose hall which is also a requirement for giving us a UPTF center number.
Abebembezi nibajanga obwindi n'ebichweka ebigihererire bakwatanise n'empabuhezi okwombeka ekyombeko kya ICT Computer Lab aha itendekero lya Bwindi Community Vocational College.
Hati abana bahwerire muni bakadama bahwerire kahe mahanga gandi ari kugenda bari kubakoresa bari kubakozesa konka twa supporting ebibina college abana nibaza kwekorera kandi sente bazibona ahehi.
Every guest that comes here makes a contribution. They contribute towards tourism, towards support, and so that support goes into supporting community engagements to benefit the people that live within this community.
Dr. Chris Wariomunsi najanga government neza kuboneza enguudo z'oburambuzi ekintu ekirahwera amatendekero nkaaga okukora kurungi no kuganyirwamu.
Tukubanza twatereze kuto abwatwarizimu kana munonga twatungura kuto kwa korasi orugwija kuno abuko banugamba onte cyagwande kira kukizaho ekimwe cyo tashobora kurungi bo kuruga Kigali kwipaka ni hehi kandi kuto bakazitera korasi bwe muri cyanguhira abarambuzi bagwa Kigali kuzuba paka kutozibonere kukirezi tuze kunoya ubwiro bw'ingene beja bamarobwire bari kusindika emotoka kira kuza kureba engaki
gasha kwa Hweza Wilfred.